Hey guys!
Hi guys!
So today we are making buttermilk pancakes.
I love pancakes.
You love pancakes?
Hey.
So what are we doing today? What are we making?
Pancakes.
Pancakes! Okay, so in my bowl, I'm just sifting away my flour. You want to make sure you sift the flour. It's actually flour and sugar mixed together that I'm sifting here. And I'm also adding my baking soda and baking powder mixed with some salt. And I will write all the ingredients in the description box. And so now I'm just making a well with him and where we would technically drop our egg in. Now he's ruined my well a couple times. Okay, that's all. We have to keep redoing this so much. But life with cooking with a toddler, it's not easy. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg. I'm just using one egg here. And next I'm going to add my melted butter. I warmed up my butter and my milk together, so now I'm just pouring it in there and we're gonna start whisking. You don't want to overmix this batter or you're gonna end up with some hard, rusty looking pancakes. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and whisk. You want to do this just enough that everything is nicely combined in there. And next I'm going to add in some more flavor and then we are done. Just look at him go in there all slowly like we got all day. Okay, this is a breakfast operation. So I'm gonna literally step in here and whisk just a little bit faster, and we don't want to overmix this, of course. So I'm just trying to incorporate the vanilla extract everywhere and we are done. Leave it alone. Now this is the noise you want to hear when you drop your pancake batter. Like you should hear that little bit of just like, okay. And then that's perfect. That means your skillet or your griddle is hot enough. And I'm just using the end of my measuring cup to sort of spread it around, just to make sure it is like even, because nobody wants a lopsided pancake. So you want it to be like nice and even and round-ish, as hard as you can. And we're gonna do the same thing just on the other side here. And once they look like this, you are ready to flip them. So you better hurry up because you don't want to burn them at this point. And this is the perfect color you want for a pancake. You know, I have poo. So this is exactly what you want. You just want to keep this going, you know, and this is just the way to do it. I'm going to show you guys another example. Once I flip them, it literally takes like a minute for the other side to cook. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to actually flip again, and just to show you guys the color on the other side, so it's not like pale and stuff. That's the color that you want. And same thing on the side. MBT, your pancakes are all done.
All done?
Yeah, what do you say now?
Bismillah.
Yeah.
Hey!
Should we put syrup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I would pick Sarah. It's falling.
Yeah, it's supposed to fall.
I'm not falling down.
There we go.
There we go. It fall.
And you can cut. Oh, this is too tall for us to cut. These are super duper fluffy.
I have some. I have 11. Good job. I was surprised.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.